No achievement can take place without a hard-working leader. Now I call upon the Secretary of Magnum Opus Association, Mr. Karthik Nanepamla, to deliver the annual report of the year 2020-2021.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Honorable Secretary and Correspondent, Belvedere Principal, Dean, Heads of various departments, faculty members, and my dear friends. A pleasant afternoon to one and all gathered here virtually. Magnum Opus is an association dedicated to providing students with a tight-knit community of friends and mentors to provide and advocate computer science and working with tech. The objective of the association is to focus on extracting the hidden talent of the students in the field of computer science and also to improve and enhance the technical skill set of the students and to mold them for the industry-ready expertise. Keeping this objective in mind, various technical activities and competitions were conducted during the academic year 2020 and 2021. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the annual report of the Magnum Opus activities for the academic year 2020-2021. The activities of the association kick-started with the webinar on data analytics on 3rd August, and Mr. Ahmed Khalid, Vice President, Ematicus Learning, delivered the lecture. A technical quiz and a coding contest on C programming language in the month of August was also conducted, and nearly 120 students actively participated and got benefited. In the month of September, a formal inaugural ceremony of the association was conducted, and the function was honored by Mr. Sundar Muthuswamy, alumnus, platform manager, Intel Corporation, USA, and addressed the gathering on the topic Culture of Innovation. The function was also presided by other dignitaries of the college. In the month of October, Web Development Battle was conducted, and nearly 45 students have registered and participated actively. In this contest, the students were asked to create a minimum of 3 web pages based on the given templates using any available web development tools and frameworks. A webinar on how to be a fungible engineer was also conducted, and Mr. Vivek Ramamurthy, Software Dev Manager, Amazon, delivered the lecture. In the months of November and December, intra-departmental hackathon titled Smart VCTN 2K20 Phase 1 and Phase 2 were conducted, in which more than 30 teams actively participated and submitted their ideas. In the month of January, a webinar on Google Analytics was organized, and Mr. P. Karthik, Technical Lead, Wipro Technologies London, delivered the lecture explaining measuring norms for advertising ROI, as well as tracking Flash, video, and social networking sites and applications. In the month of February, a 2-day workshop on artificial intelligence was organized in association with Pantech e-learning. This workshop provided the basic knowledge of AI and insights on how it is possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks were also shared, and a webinar on non-programming skills in IT infra services by Mr. D. Arun Parandhaman, alumnus, Senior Storage Admin, Capgemini, was also conducted. Along with various webinars and workshops, the month of February was a month to put the student skill to test, in which coding contest titled Codophilia and data structure quiz were conducted, in which the students of all the years actively participated and won prizes. In the month of March, Tech Talks on data science, blockchain technology, and other recent trending technologies were organized, and various students were driven to choose up careers in these fields. A tech talk on career awareness and skill development was conducted, and the session was honored by Mr. Tyagarajan, Director, Time E-Route. Last but not the least, the most awaited intra-department meet was conducted in the month of May, in which more than 100 students participated in various technical events like code debugging, supercoder, paper presentation, and Smart VCTN, an idea presentation, and other non-technical events. Along with intra-department meet, a webinar on poster designing and video designing was organized, in which the designing team of Magnum Opus, Mr. Ruban Kumar and Ms. Dharnesh Sri, engaged the students and shared their experiences in various designing tools. Finally, today is the day of the much awaited moment, the valedictory function, with which the activities of the Magnum Opus for the academic year 2020 and 2021 come to a close. And I, Kartik Nannepamula, a secretary of Magnum Opus, pass on the torch to my fellow juniors for the next academic year. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Kartik.